Hi, this is Dr. T again, and I'm here today to finish up on writing linear equations, slope-intercept form. Today we did that third type of problem. We've already written linear equations in slope-intercept form. You've already showed that you know how to identify the slope and y-intercept from an equation. Today we're going to write linear equations in a standard form. Now, if we're given m is -1/3 and b equals 2, how do we put this in standard form? Well, first thing we're going to do is write it in slope-intercept form. Y equals -1/3 times x plus 2. And now we're going to write it in standard form where ax plus by equals c, where a, b, and c are integers. We're going to have to clear out all the fractions. So in order to do that, we're going to multiply everything by 3. And when we do, we're going to end up with 3y equals -x plus 6. And now all we have to do is get both variables on the same side of the equal sign, and we'll be in standard form. So, if we add an x to both sides, we end up with x plus 3y equals 6, and that is standard form. Now, if we have a line passing through these coordinates, how do we write the standard form? Well, we have to use the coordinates to find our slope. So we bring down the 6, we bring down the -3, we bring down the -4, and we bring down the -1. We solve and we get -3 as our slope. Remember, negative is like a plus, 6 plus 3, negative is like a plus, -4 plus 1 is -3. So we end up with -3 as the slope. Now, again, we just pick 2 points and plug them in using this as our slope and solve for the y-intercept. So here I chose the -4 and the 6. -3 times -4 is 12, and now we just subtract the 12 from both sides, and we get -6 is b. So our y-intercept, slope-intercept form of the equation would be y equals -3x minus 6. And now that we have the equation in this format, we have to get the variables on the same side. So we're going to add 3x to both sides, which brings us to 3x plus y equals -6. And that's all we're going to do on writing linear equations in these forms. Good luck working your problems, and I'll see you in class.